what did we do?
Did
we charge it?
Yes.
Alright, so we got it charged up. Here's the battery. Now, what does the plus and the minus mean?
Positive.
And the negative? Oh, the minus?
Yes, negative.
Okay. So you want to drop it in there, or would you like me to?
Yes.
Okay. So it goes just like that. Now there's some screws that we need.
I'll go get them. There's names.
Oh, amazing. So what you do, come here, baby. You put these little nuts right here like this. You slide them in like that. Okay, and the reason why they're a funny shape, so when you tighten the screws down, they don't turn.
And then I have to put that right
Hold
there
on.
because...
Yes, exactly.
I know.
Come on.
It's shaking, but...
Okay, you want to hold this for me? This nut screw? Okay, we need to...
I'm so excited!
You know, I know you're excited, baby. I know. You gotta tell me. I
I
know
have to
you're
go potty
excited.
now because I'm so excited.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. What is going on with this thing? Neither do I. There we go. We had to bend it a little bit. See? It's okay. Now we may need to... I don't know if it'll bite it or not. Generally, they're long enough, but sometimes they just aren't quite long enough. Man, this one is going to be no exception. It's going to need to be brought up. No, I think it'll hook. No, it'll hook. So what we're going to need to do is we need to come in and we need to lift that nut up.
Okay, I almost lost these two feet.
That's why I told you to hold on to them.
I am.
How'd you almost lose them if you were holding
I
on
was
to them?
holding on to.
Uh-huh.
Rex is starting to watch me
Yeah.
I'm watching it.
Okay.
Even such a dumb dog.
So what I did was I got it started.
Okay.
I used this little tiny screwdriver
Okay.
to lift the nut.
Okay.
That way when I come back through,
Okay.
see now the nut, now it's touching, see? Now we can tighten it down, okay? And some people will do the positive before. Can I have this, please? Go. Your seat, yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Potty break.
So I have some practice. That's our dog was in the shop.
Mm-hmm. He's a funny dog.
There's our dog Max. Here you go. Come on, Max. See? There's our dog Maxie. We have actually 3 dogs.
I think we're getting close. Alright, now, this does have a strap, but I don't know, that's one thing that we couldn't find, was the strap. So, we got to be careful. We'll get a rubber strap eventually. Okay? So now what do we need to do next? The seat? Okay, let's go.
Wait, is that one?
Yeah, let me see it. Okay, it's going to go just like this. I think. I don't even know how the seat goes on here. Oh, there it goes. There's a little hole it's got it. There we go. And Good, I hope it starts because I don't know how to get the seat off, do you?
I do too.
You know how to get the seat off? How?
Yep.
Pull it up.
I
Yeah, exactly.
didn't know.
So what do we do every time before we ride it?
Check the back.
Check the oil. Might be kind of tight. Let's see. Okay. Looks good.
Yep.
Let's let the carburetor prime up. Turn the gas on. All the way straight. There you go. Up. You may have to. No, you got to go the other way. Go the other way. You have to get off. You have to get off. It's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, there you go. Let's give it a second and let the bowl fill up. Okay, now let's see. Let's go for it.
Okay. Switch. It needs to be on.
No, get on it first.
Oh yeah. Good.
Okay, kick it on. Let's see if we get a tail light. No, we have no tail light. Hit the brakes. Oh, okay, we got a brake light. Okay, go ahead and what do you need to do to start it? You remember? Make sure it's on. Okay, the key's on. What about the kill switch? Make sure the kill switch is in the run position. Okay?
Do we have a tail light?
No, it's just a brake light. Okay? Okay, let's go. Get on it. I'm going to stand back here. So I really don't want to get run over in case it does start. Okay, make sure everything's on. Okay? All right. Go ahead, hit the brakes. Yep. Go for it. Hit the button. Okay. Hold on. Give it a little bit of gas. You know, keep going. Don't give it a lot of gas.
I was trying not.
No, you're good. You're good. Okay, you hold this brake while you're pushing the button, okay?
Really?
Yeah,
Not that good.
not that one. Okay? Push the back brake. Hold the back brake down. And don't give it full throttle. Just barely feather the throttle. Yeah, just a little bit, okay? There you go. Go for it. Let off the throttle, or let off the starter. When it starts, let off the starter, the green button, okay? Okay, let's go. You're okay. Do it again. It's wanting to start. Okay, don't let off the brake, just let off the starter button. That way, if it starts to go, it won't go. The brakes will hold it. Okay? Otherwise, it won't spin around. Let's go. Look at that. I love the look on your face, though. Hey, we have what? Give me 5.
That's right, our son is counting.
Look at that. Okay, now what do we need to do before we can ride it?
Here.
We got to get our gear on. Okay, let's let it warm up a little bit, and then we're going to get our gear on. We'll be right back.